Ladies and gentlemen, you've often heard people say time is money. But the question is, how much money? $7.25 an hour? $10,000 an hour? If time is money, how much of it? The reason I ask this, and the reason it's extremely important for you to understand, especially as a business owner and as an entrepreneur, is you need to be able to know what your hour is worth. What is your time worth? Business is just an aspect of the entrepreneurial life, just an aspect of it. But unless you have physical freedom as well, then location freedom and financial freedom doesn't matter because you can't enjoy it. My last consistency compounds tip or day-to-day actionable that I do is I spend time writing my goals every single day. Day by day, I crystallize my goals. So what do I want to do today, right? I know things that I want to do every single day, right? So what do I want to do today that I can count on and bank on? What do I want to do every single month? And what do I want to do every single year? So it's in those categories that I'm going to start creating micro and macro cycles and micro and macro habits. Now, these things are gapped and they're not rigid by the hour. You know, people build these crazy life schedules and you go from operating like a machine on autopilot to operating a machine because you choose to, which makes no fucking sense. You need to be able to experience life. And in the consistency and in the compounding effect is where you're gonna see a lot of growth and where you're gonna see a lot of winning and where you're gonna see a lot of satisfaction. Of a dog coming back and eating its own barf, it sounds so ludicrous, yet we do it so many times. We go back to the same bullshit lifestyle that we wanted to get out of in the first place. And we do that because we enjoy familiarity. Things that we're familiar with, they tend to bring comfort. But comfort, we know, is the enemy. So you need to shy away from the known and become an embracer of the unknown. That which you know, I don't want to do that anymore. That which you don't know, let me experience life. Let me not take another person's word for it. Let me go and try it out myself. Let me go through my entrepreneurial journey, my endeavors, and understand, ladies and gentlemen, that there's nothing to lose. Like, what do you have to lose, honestly? If you have a shit life, what do you have to lose? Nothing. Nothing. If you have a shit family member that's super negative and they don't want you to pursue your dreams, fuck them, dude. Honestly, fuck that person.